The U.S. Supreme Court is considering how to handle the same-sex marriage cases from several states, including Indiana. And Hoosiers on both sides of the debate are anxious for some sort of a resolution on this matter. Eyewitness News reporter Kevin Rader on what could happen if the High Court decided to hear the case for and against the Indiana law.
Let's go look towards there.
Donna Mitchell and CARESSA VAIL have 4 children. 2 boys, 2 girls.
Oh, that is a turtle or something.
They've been together for 2 years now and took advantage of the recent window in Indiana to get married in the Hoosier state. Now they're waiting for the Supreme Court to recognize that.
It's big for us because it says that we'll be recognized as a legal family. To us, we already know we're a family. But to have the rest of the world recognize us and just kind of validates what we already feel.
We think it's time for the U.S. Supreme Court to rule.
Kurt Smith of the Indiana Family Institute agrees the High Court needs to rule, but for a very different reason.
We have to believe that they're going to affirm marriage, that the states have the right to set marriage definition. Maybe Massachusetts wants same-sex marriage, but Indiana doesn't. So we think the court has to take this case, and we think it needs to give us a national standard.
The United States Supreme Court is in conference today to decide what cases it will review.
It's entirely possible that tomorrow morning they will say that they have agreed to review one or more of the same-sex marriage cases. They may decide to hold that issue over, so we'll hear nothing.
Indiana's same-sex marriage case is one of the 5 currently before the United States Supreme Court. The court could take all 5. One of the 5, or decide not to hear the case at all.
I don't like the fact that they thought that love was not love when it really is. So it doesn't matter who you marry, but the person who's getting married, it matters to them. It shouldn't matter to anybody else.
Both sides are depending on the High Court to hear the case, which would be the most contentious issue before the court this session. We should have an answer tomorrow on whether the High Court will hear the case, but keep in mind the stay on gay marriage will stay in place here in Indiana until the Supreme Court decides the issue. Kevin Rader, Channel 13, Eyewitness News.
Kevin, thank you. Since the Supreme Court ruled last year that it is unconstitutional for the federal government to refuse to recognize same-sex marriage, there have been dozens of federal rulings against gay marriage bans. 28 rulings in 25 states have found laws in 17 states that bar same-sex couples from marrying or having their marriages recognized are unconstitutional. If you would like to learn more about the case that's pending here in Indiana, we have it all detailed for you on our website at WTHR.com.